Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today's video is all about the Magic Keyboard. So it's the Magic Keyboard versus the Magic Keyboard. So obviously this Magic Keyboard is made for the iPad, the 12.9 inch Pro. And sadly, I haven't received that iPad yet. I'm not sure what Apple is doing over there, but it looks like they are taking their time. And yeah, it's just, I should have some patience. But I thought to make a video since I already have the Magic Keyboard. This is the older version. The new iMac came with a newer Magic Keyboard with a fingerprint. So you can just unlock your iMac with just a click on the button, which is very awesome. I can't wait to test that out for you guys. So this one's the previous one, but it's still a great Magic Keyboard. It's lightweighted. You can just put it in your bag without noticing it, and you can connect it even to Windows machines, and that's something great. On the left side we have the Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro, which is also a great device. The only bad or the only con in here is the price. So you pay for this thing $350, which this one doesn't even cost $100. Yeah, but obviously if you have an iPad and you don't have a keyboard yet, you may need to consider buying a keyboard, because if you are at college taking notes or something, you need to have physical buttons that you can click on. And I think this here is the perfect thing to have to combine with the iPad you're already about to purchase. But if you're not interested in giving more money after you buy the iPad, which is an expensive purchase, let's be honest in there, you can use the keyboard in here, the Magic Keyboard. You can connect this keyboard to your iPad, which I will demonstrate to you in a second. And how you connect this keyboard is by turning off. Make sure to start turning off the keyboard and then turn it on. And all of a sudden it will appear on your iPad like that. So tap on that. Just like that, you have it connected to your iPad. So let's go and take some notes. Yeah, obviously it works immediately. There's no delay in there. So once I type something, this is a dummy text. There's no delay in typing the words and having them appear on the screen. So obviously you can do it this way. The pros of this is the price. You already have a keyboard, so you don't have to put another $350 on the account of Apple. And it's lightweight, so you can just grab both devices and put them on your bag. So if you go to school, you just have to do it this way and let your iPad stand. So obviously you need to have a cover that enables you to let your iPad stand. And in a second, both devices are connected and you can just type your essay or your notes on your iPad. But if you don't have a Magic Keyboard, is it reasonable, is it smart to buy a Magic Keyboard instead of the actual Magic Keyboard for iPad? And to be honest, yeah, it depends on your budget. I'm not in the place to give you an advice on that. I'm just here to test things out. So if we go over here and we use the keys, I already talked about the user experience of this iPad. The key sounds very muted, so if you don't like to have this noisy keys, this iPad has a very muted key experience, so you don't hear any of those keys typing out loud. Also, what you get is a trackpad that you will not have if you have the Magic Keyboard. Therefore, you need to buy an extra additional trackpad, which also will cost you around $110. Obviously, you can also buy a mouse, but if you need a Bluetooth mouse, the most obvious one is the Logitech, which I've made a review about this mouse in the past. But you don't have to use a trackpad because obviously the iPad is all touch. So you can just go and select something and type over it. So you just need a keyboard with an iPad. But in addition, if you go for this one, you obviously get the trackpad included. And yeah, overall this thing in here, I haven't had the chance to test it with the iPad Pro M1, which is still on his way. But once I receive that device, I'll make immediately a video about that experience as well for you guys. And that's actually it. I think overall this keyboard is a very lightweighted, good keyboard that you can use for many years to come. And you can include that with your iPad without purchasing another Magic Keyboard for your iPad. But if you want to keep things easy and you think about purchasing a device for the long run and you just want to have something compatible, compact, that you can just easily put on your bag, obviously just go for this one and you will not regret it. There's one thing though that you need to think about. Yes, this whitish color is beautiful, but it will get dirty if you don't look out. So if you ask me, just go and buy the black one. That one will last for a longer time. You will not regret that purchase. So that's actually it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it. Give me some feedback because I like to hear your stories. Give me a story about you using these devices and what you think about it. Leave a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.